Good evening, Internet. Just off for one of my random walks through Kuala Lumpur. It's a Saturday night and I'm next to Dataran Merdeka. And what do I run into but a food truck Saturday night here at Dataran Merdeka. And also, I don't know if you could see behind me, but there is also going to be a cultural show at any minute. Panggung Rakyat means public stage, and you can't see it yet, but I'll show it to you in a minute. There is a stage behind me. They're going to be putting on some kind of show. Right now we're waiting for the VIPs to show up.
Saya tak dengar suara anda. Apa khabar semua? Okey, baiklah, hari ini kita di sini bukan begini, bukan begitu, kena begitu. Kita di sini sebagai penentu misi setelah satu. Kerana saya pasti malam ini satu sejarah akan berlaku. Jadi kepada rakan-rakan kita yang baru dah tampil bersama kami, terima kasih banyak-banyak untuk anda. Dan inilah dia programnya yang kita tampilkan istimewa terus saja bersama dengan anda. Nama saya Estuda Otu.
These snacks look like something that we also have in the United States. These are atomic fireballs, I would guess. I'm not sure what these are, but they're like Pez, but they're on a stick. And then the ever popular chocolate coins. Well, it seems like I hit the jackpot of public activity. Not only is there a food truck event going on and a cultural show, but tomorrow morning in this same spot there's some kind of marathon being held. I don't think I'm going to be here for that. They usually start marathons early in the morning around here just to beat the heat. But it just proves my point that in Kuala Lumpur at night, especially on weekends, you just have to wander around. You're going to find something going on. Anyway, thanks for watching. The light is terrible. Chris, what are you doing? Now, if this was Bella, she'd have to put like a nose and funny ears on everybody.
Oh, the dog one and the cat one, is it?
Yes.
Something like that?
Is that a big thing now? Is that still a big thing?
Yes.
I better get that app.